Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can draw a few lines on your computer and make yourself some money. So before we get into the content, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification if you are interested in learning about new ways to make money online each and every time we put out a new video. Also, if making money online is something that really piques your interest and it's something that you really want to know more about, then this is the channel for you. Now, 2019, it has never ever been so easy to make money online. Now, technology has come so far in the past 20 years, there is no excuse and no reason why everybody can't make a little bit of extra money online. And if a little bit of extra money is what you're looking for, then that's fine, but you can make it big. It doesn't have to be a small amount of income. You can make a full-time business online. So with that said, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money today just by drawing lines. I'm going to jump into the computer now and show you what it is that I'm talking about and how you can do this and make yourself your own bit of money. Okay, so literally the first thing that you need to do is jump onto one of these three sites, and I'm going to show you all three of them, and you can choose whichever one you want to use, or whichever one works best for you. But these are three different background removal sites. Okay, so the first one is Clipping Magic, and all you do on here to remove a background is you click Upload Image. You choose the image that you want to remove the background from and hit upload. And basically all you do to remove the background on this is draw a couple of lines. So you take this green one here, and the green plus is for pieces of the picture that you want to keep. So you just draw in here a couple of lines, and that's telling them the software you want to keep me. Then you want to get rid of the background, so you draw around there like that. If it does cut out something that you want to keep, you just simply put back in with the green line, and you're literally doing a couple of lines like that, and you can just dot it like that. All right, and then it shows you on this side what you've got. So here I can see I've got a bit of hair missing, so I just put a dot in there and a dot in there, and literally then I've got all of the pieces that I need to keep. And that is how quick it is to remove a background from an image. This is so easy to use. Now, there is a cost associated with Clipping Magic, and if you go to here, pricing, it shows you what that is. So it's $3.99 a month. That is really cheap. Now, with what we're doing here is building an online business. You're going to be selling basically background removal service. All right. So if you want to be able to do that, then you're going to have to invest a little bit up front. But let's think about it this way. Okay. We'll talk about the pricing in a minute when I show you how much you can charge for your background removal service. But Clipping Magic's not the only one. So we've tried Clipping Magic. You can see it works. It's really good. It gives a nice clean edge. So the next one that you can use is called Remove Background. So it's Remove BG. Okay. So you select a photograph, and we'll do the same photograph. Open. And I've already done this before, but I'm going to let it do it for you again so you can see how quick it is and how easy. This one you don't have to draw any lines with whatsoever here, and it cuts it out for you. All right, so I've put in the image, I didn't touch it, and it has cut out this image perfectly, not even drawing a line. Okay, then you can hit download and download it. If I just hit download here, accept, I have got this downloaded for free. So that is Remove BG. Then we've got photo scissors. So we'll do the same. Upload image. Same image. Upload it. You can see it working. And then it's going to load it here and it tells you what to do. So you draw some foreground, you draw some background. And it tells you not to go over. It tells you can do hair if you want. It pre-crops it for you and then you just fix the pieces that it's missed. So obviously I want to keep that bit there because that's part of the photograph. You can't see through my hair. And then I want to remove these bits in the background here. And I want to remove that bit. And I want to remove that bit there. And you end up with the same... I want to remove that bit. And you end up with the same result as the first two. So you can, if you wanted to, get started using remove background. And then once you've sold your first gig, and I'm going to show you how you do that in a moment, you then go on to the other ones if you wish to do so. And you can then pay monthly subscription, $3.99 on Clipping Magic. And you get 15 credits. 1 credit is 1 download. So you get 15 photographs for $3.99, 100 photographs for $7.99, or 500 photographs for $14.99. Remove BG is free, but if we go to pricing, you could get a free account, you get 1 free credit, you get 50 free previews. The next part I show you here is how you go and sell it. So you've got your image that we can see here. You've got your image, and then what you do then is you go to Fiverr. You search on Fiverr. Background removal. Okay, and then you can see all the gigs on Fiverr that are starting at $5, right? And I will change your remove image background, $5. Okay, so this is really good for people that just want it for personal use. You might remove a background for them for whatever reason, but also really good for people that are selling. So Amazon, when they have a picture of something and it's got a background in it, they clear it out and you give them a white background or transparent background. So really good for selling. You can also do bulk. So somebody might want 50 done at once. You can decide how much you're going to charge them. You go and have a look at what's going on generally on Fiverr and what people are charging for those gigs and how many they're offering. And then you come in around the same price and you compete with them. Okay, you could even undercut them slightly. And all you do is go onto those 3 sites, put the photograph in they provide, do a couple of lines, and voila, you can sell your background removal service. Okay, so that's Fiverr. So you just go around, have a look what people are offering, kind of match what they're doing, make your advertisement look better than theirs, and start advertising your service as a background removal professional. The next place you can go is Upwork. So you're looking for freelancers and you want to search for background removal again. We'll turn off US only and it opens up more. Background removal here, $15 per hour. Photo editor, and then you put what you can do in there. Remove background removal, $7.50 an hour. Okay, so just literally go through, look what people are offering, do a better advertisement than what they're doing, and then wait for your gigs to come in. Once your gigs start coming in, go and use the software, upload the images, and sell the service for background removal. It is so easy, and there are tons and tons of ways like this and different gigs you can use Fiverr and Upwork for, and there's so many other platforms also that you could be selling on. To actually not be able to make money online right now in 2019 is absolutely bonkers, because there is so many ways, there are so many ideas and so many opportunities for you to take and utilize to actually make yourself some extra money and even make yourself a full-time real income straight from your computer. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button to let me know that you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification, and we will be putting out more ways you can make money online. Different ways to this, similar ways, just loads of different ideas to throw at you until you find something that is going to work for you. So with that said, guys, that is everything I have for this video. Enjoy the rest of your day and make it epic, and I'll see you in the next video.